Hi friends, today we are going to learn about lesson number 2 from Maths 1, that is lesson name is real numbers. Up to 8th standard we have learned about some basic numbers that are natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, rational numbers and real numbers. Let's revise it again. Natural numbers starts from the 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dots. Infinite natural numbers are there. Then we have learned about whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. Whole number starts from the 0. Then integers, negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 included in the integers. Then we have learned about rational numbers, that is it is denoted by Q. Then we have learned about real numbers, it is denoted by R. Now here see the relation between these all numbers. Natural numbers are subset of whole numbers are subset of integers are subset of rational numbers are subset of real numbers. Now these are basic numbers and very important numbers. Now next topic from your lesson, that is order relation on rational numbers. Here we are going to learn about rational numbers. Now order relation on rational numbers. P upon Q and R upon S are rational numbers where Q is greater than 0 and S is greater than also 0. See, this is 0. So here P upon Q and R upon S both are rational numbers. Now there are three properties depend on that. First one is if P into S is equal to Q into R. If we multiply P into S and Q into R, then if P into S is equal to Q into R, then we can say this both fraction P upon Q is equal to R upon S. So here one example of it, 2 upon 3 is the first fraction, 4 upon 6 is the second fraction. Now according to this rule P into S, so 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is equal to 12. It means these both fractions are equal. Then second rule, if P into S is greater than, this is greater than symbol, P into S is greater than Q into R. Again one more example, here is 6 upon 8, 2 upon 5, 6 into 5 30, 8 into 2 16. So 30 is greater than 16, therefore we can say 6 upon 8 is greater than 2 upon 5. Now one more example of it, if P into S is smaller than Q into R, then P upon Q is smaller than R upon S. So again we can multiply 9 into 2, 3 into 7. 9 2s are 18, 3 into 7 21. So 21 is greater than 18. It means 7 upon 2 is greater than 9 upon 3. Now one more, that is very important properties from your lesson, that is properties of rational numbers. Here if A, B, C are rational numbers, then there are four properties. Here two properties we are going to learn, then next two. First property, commutative property. In that two types are there, addition and multiplication. Commutative property of addition, A plus B is equal to B plus A. It means if we add A plus B and again we add B plus A, then both answers will be the same. For example, 4 plus 3 7 and also 3 plus 4 is 7. So that is commutative property of addition. Now commutative property of multiplication. A into B is equal to B into A. For example, if we multiply 3 into 4 and 4 into 3, both answers are same. That is commutative property. Now associative property of addition, A plus B plus C, A plus B in bracket B plus C. If we add 3 plus 4 and then 2, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9. Also we have to add bracket first. So 4 plus 2 6 and 3 plus 6 is 9. So both are same. So this is associative property of addition. Now associative property of multiplication. Here see, according to the rule we solve bracket first. So A into in bracket B into C is equal to A into B in bracket multiplied by C. So we have to multiply bracket first. Here 3 into 4 into 2 is equal to 3 into 4 into 2. We are going to solve bracket plus first. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Here 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. This is associative property of multiplication. Already you have learned, you know that property, just revise it. One more property, that is identity of addition and multiplication. Now identity, a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a. If we add any number in 0, we get that same number as answer. 3 plus 0 is 3 and 0 plus 3 is also 3. Next, multiplication property, identities, a into 1 or 1 into a. Suppose 3 into 1 is also 3 and 1 is into 3 is also 3. So that's why a into 1 is equal to 1 into a, that is only a. If we multiply any number by 1, we get that number as answer. So 3 into 1 is also 3 and 1 into 3 is also 3. Last property, that is inverse of addition. A plus in bracket minus a is equal to 0. Suppose take an example. For example, 3 plus in bracket minus 3. So here is plus and inside the bracket minus sign. If we remove the bracket, this minus sign will come outside. So 3 minus 3, that is 0. This is inverse of addition. Now inverse of multiplication. Here is the property, a into 1 upon a. A's inverse is, multiplicative inverse is 1 upon a. Though if we multiply a and its multiplicative inverse, that is 1 upon a, we get answer 1. For example, 3 into, the multiplicative inverse of 3 is 1 upon 3. So 3 into 1 upon 3, this 3 will get cancelled, only 1 will remain. So here is the end of this property. In next video, we are going to learn about next examples. Thank you.